Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sukrita Sharma, an ex-student of Christ High School, Nowshera. On this Teachers' Day, I would like to extend my warm wishes and warm hugs to all the beautiful teachers out there without whom I would not have succeeded in my life. So wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day from the core of my heart. May God bless you all.
If there were no teachers, no other professions would exist. If students are the future of nation, the teachers are the nation builders. Today, I want to wish everyone a very happy Teachers' Day, and especially to those who inspired me, guided me and influenced me from the time of Christ High School to till now. May God bless all our teachers with a long, healthy and happy life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Navdeep Kaur. These 20 seconds are so less to thank enough to God, my school and the teachers for their outstanding, unforgettable and never-ending contribution in those 12 years and even after that. I pay my sincere thanks to everyone who has ever been associated with this institution. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hi everyone, I am Ribu Gupta, former student of Christ High School, Nowshera. And if you ask me what is the definition of a teacher, in my opinion, teacher is not just someone who teaches us in schools and colleges, but he is the one who motivates us, support us, guide us and inculcate strong moral values. He is the one who chisels a student to help him or her in becoming an ethical and responsible citizen in the future. And I have learned so many things from my teachers. I want to convey a hearty and a warm gratitude to all my teachers, and I bow down to seek their blessings, because where I am today is not just because of my parents, but my teachers played a significant role. So on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers, you gave us all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. You're really a blessing in our lives, so very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shilpa Sharma of batch 2014-15. On this occasion, I would like to thank you all for your efforts and hard works that you invested to bring out best in us, which can never be repaid by words. We can only feel grateful for having you as our teachers, and we miss you all. Happy Teachers Day.
First of all, a very warm greeting to all my expected teachers and a very happy Teachers' Day. This is Himanshu Kapoor from the batch 2013. I am a mechanical engineer by profession. Only teachers like you make school tolerable, math likable and goal achievable. Thanks for guiding me, supporting me and most importantly, inspiring me. Thank you once again. Happy Teachers' Day to all.
I hope you all are in the best of health spirits, and I know you all are. So it's been a great time since we met, but you people are always in the heart. Your kind words, your beautiful advices, the punishments, the impositions I wrote, everything, I miss all that. Once again, thank you for supporting me, scolding me, correcting me and making me what I am. And you will always be remembered, you will always be loved, and you all will always be missed. I wish we all a very happy.
Dear teachers, you give us all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. You're truly a blessing in our lives. So, happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers, the knowledge you share with us, the way you make us understand each and every aspect is just stupendous. Whenever we got flummoxed, you came there for us. Your inspiring words have made a difference in our life and swamped us into this epic world of education. Thanking you for making us such a suave person and constantly reminding us, yes, you worth it. Sending you all the love and the warmth on this Teachers' Day. You have not only been a great teacher, but also a friend, a philosopher, a guide. Thank you again. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day full of
Happy
joy.
Teachers' Day to all of my dear teachers. Thank you for your kind love, support and making us a good human being. Thank you so much.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम। विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम। विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम। इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम। इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम। लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु।